I'm Erin Zettle. I'm a Family Literacy Center board member and a licensed attorney in the state of Michigan. I practice a lot of criminal law. We're creating these informational videos to help inform our students about certain legal issues. This legal advice is general advice. It isn't addressing any specific legal problems. It's also valid as of March 2024. Laws change all the time. What I want to talk about right in this video is diversion programs. So if you get into legal trouble and you're charged with specific crimes, there may be programs available through the legal system that help you to get through the legal system, and if you can complete the program, end up with no charges on your record. For instance, there's one under the Spousal Abuse Act, where if you're charged with domestic violence under the statute 769.4a, if the prosecutor agrees, you can be placed on probation, do some anger management and some counseling, and if you successfully complete probation, at the end, the case is dismissed and only a non-public record of that conviction will ever exist. Meaning that you can honestly answer on an application that you've never been convicted of a crime. There's another program under the statute 7411, where if you're charged with a drug offense, specific drug offenses, you can do probation, drug and alcohol counseling and testing, and if you successfully complete probation, the case is dismissed and there will be only a non-public record. Another very popular program is the Homes Youthful Trainee Act, or HIDA, where if you're under the age of 24 or 26 in some circumstances, this of course does not apply to all criminal charges. There are some that are excluded, sexual charges, some crimes of violence. But if you're under a certain age, we kind of assume that kids make dumb mistakes. So if you commit certain crimes, you could be offered a plea bargain under the Homes Youthful Trainee Act. Again, complete your probation, do what you need to do, and you could end up without this conviction on your public criminal record. So this is not to say you should go out and commit a crime spree, because you can just do some probation and get away with all of it. But what it does say is that there are some second chances within our legal system. And so there's another video that we've made regarding requesting a court-appointed attorney, or asking for an attorney, or getting an attorney and not going this on your own. And this is one of the reasons why, because even here in Lapeer, we have some things called the Citizens Probation Council, where if you're charged with certain misdemeanors, you could go through the CPC process where you're given a mentor, you do some additional community service, and at the end, the case against you is dismissed. And they use this for things like shoplifting and trespass. It's an opportunity for you to make your mistake, own up to your mistake, and end up with nothing on your criminal record, which, as you get older, becomes really, really important. Because yeah, the expungement laws have changed, but it's still difficult, and there are still things that you don't want to have to go through. Why wait 5 years to get something expunged when you could do 6 or 12 months of probation and not have it on your criminal record to begin with? So again, these are possibilities if you are charged with a crime, but most of them, you're really going to want to talk to an attorney to make sure that you understand fully the contract that you're entering into and the ramifications of that contract. So wrapping up, here's another standard lawyer disclaimer. This isn't specific legal advice. If you have a legal problem, please consult with an attorney. A lot of lawyers have free consultations.